Whether your visit is specifically related to your gout or not, it is a good opportunity to discuss your gout management, general lifestyle, and any potentially related issues. The following are some questions you may want to ask. How does the treatment you have prescribed help my gout? How often should I be taking my treatment? What should I do if I miss a dose? What should I do if my symptoms are not relieved when taking gout medication? Can my gout medication interact with any other treatments I'm taking? Can any of my current medications increase my level of uric acid? If so, are there any alternative medications I can take? What is my uric acid level? Is my uric acid level below or above the target?